At this point, we have already developed our market analysis of the drive-thru market. So the next step is to define the products, menu, and pricing. For this, you can also use ChatGPT to shape your menu and pricing strategy. Try asking, "Help me design a profitable drive-thru coffee menu with pricing appropriate for Ashland." ChatGPT can help suggest drink categories: espresso, cold brew, specialty lattes, teas, breakfast items, and estimate price ranges. It can also help you consider upselling seasonal items and high-margin add-ons such as flavored syrups or pastries. This step is where creativity meets discipline. ChatGPT can spark ideas, but you'll need to ensure pricing aligns with ingredient costs, labor, rent, and customer willingness to pay. The following step is where you develop operations and workflow. Running a drive-thru is all about efficiency, so ChatGPT can help map out operations. You might ask, "Outline an operations plan for a high-speed drive-thru coffee shop." It can help you think through staffing levels, order flow, peak hour scheduling, equipment needs, and customer wait times. ChatGPT prompts you might ask, "Develop an operations plan for a high-speed drive-thru coffee shop that addresses staffing levels, order flow, peak hour scheduling, equipment needs, and customer wait times." Map the end-to-end workflow of a drive-thru coffee shop and explain how staffing levels, order flow, peak hour scheduling, equipment capacity, and customer wait time should be optimized for speed and efficiency. For Ashland specifically, you might consider seasonal demand shifts, such as tourism peaks during summer and festival seasons. ChatGPT prompts you might ask, "Explain how tourism-driven seasonal demand and festival traffic surges should affect staffing and inventory planning for a drive-thru coffee shop." Or analyze how tourism, summer travel, and festival seasons in Ashland, Oregon impact customer demand at a coffee shop, and recommend how staffing levels and inventory should be adjusted. This is also a great step for using ChatGPT to identify potential bottlenecks before they become real problems. ChatGPT prompts you might ask, "Analyze the operations plan for a drive-thru coffee shop and identify potential workflow bottlenecks before launch. Explain where delays are likely to occur and suggest preventive solutions." Or review a proposed operations plan for a high-speed drive-thru coffee shop in Ashland, Oregon. Identify likely bottlenecks in ordering, drink preparation, staffing, equipment usage, and customer wait times, and recommend ways to mitigate them.